Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I am back with another Goan delicacy, and that is the Shavio or the Shavoya, as called in different parts of Goa. It is traditionally made for the harvest festival or the 15th August, but do Goans really need an occasion to make Shavio? Let's get started with making this Shavio. For this I have taken here 700 grams of parboiled Jaya variety of rice, since they are nice and white. You may take any other variety which is available to you or which you prefer, but I personally prefer this because the Shavios become nice and white and the texture also differs. Now I have soaked this rice for about 7 to 8 hours. So grind this rice to a fine smooth paste. And friends, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it now. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified about my every new upload that I do every Saturday. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like and share with your friends so that they too enjoy watching my videos. Friends, here I have ground my rice to a smooth, fine paste, and now I will adjust the consistency by adding water in batches so that we get the perfect consistency to steam the rice better. Add salt to taste and mix it really well to get the perfect, smooth, flowy consistency. Pour it into a flat vessel that you are going to use to steam this better for the Shavios. Now let's place this plate with the batter in the steamer, the traditional steamer that is called the Chondra or the Kopro. Do let me know in the comment section if it is called something else in some other parts from where you are watching. Place it in it and close the lid properly so that the steam doesn't escape. Yes, let the fire burn well. Steam it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Till the time the batter gets steamed, let's get prepared with the sweetening that we are going to use in the Shavios, or what we call the chun. Here I have taken about 1.5 cup of freshly grated coconut and 1 cup of palm jaggery. You may take as per your preference, and I am flavoring it with 1 teaspoon of freshly pounded cardamom. Combine it really well. This is the way I do it, friends, and my family always enjoy it. If you follow some other way, please do let me know in the comment section. Mix it really well till it becomes nice and sticky kind of. Now here is the instrument that is being traditionally used to make Shavios. It's called the shogo. Now this is quite an old instrument. This is from my parents' house. My dad said this shogo was brought in the year 1972. So it's completing its 50 years this year, and it is a celebration of the shogo of its 50 years. You do get them in the market even now, and if you do not have this, I have another one which is modern kind of like. It's been 15 minutes, my batter has been steaming and it's been nice and firm. Remove it. This is a time that you need to work very quickly. Cut into smaller pieces so it becomes easy to handle, and quickly put it into the cavity of the Shavio. It's very important to work very quickly at this time because the Shavios come very smoothly when the rice cake is nice and hot. Be careful, friends, when you are doing this because it's quite hot. You need to work very fast. I am placing this banana leaf as traditionally used. Since I have them, if you do not have this, you may use any plate. You can see how hot it is, and then they taste good when they are nice and warm as well. Friends, do watch my patolio and hole recipe also. I'm giving the link in the description. Do the remaining likewise, but make sure that you work very quickly at this time so that the rice cake doesn't cool down, because once it cools down it becomes little difficult to release the Shavios. The sound that comes while you're doing this is really amazing, and right now my children are helping me with this, and so also my husband. So we are having a blast of a time doing this. Because you need a lot of force in doing this. It's better done with the Shavio kept on the floor, and then it becomes easy to put all your force to turn it around. A little bit difficult if you place it up on the table to do. A good upper body muscle power required to do this, but it's nice and enjoyable when you have your little ones to help you. Now, in case if you do not have the banana leaf as I shown earlier, you may use any kind of plate or something like that you can quickly move through it. It's a nice festive time, although it is not Harvest Festival today, but since all of us in the family enjoying doing this. This is all the Shavios that I have got from the 700 gram of rice that I have used. Friends, now in case if you do not have the Shavio and the chondro, then here is a quick and easy method of doing it on the gas. Just boil water in a vessel, place the container with the batter and steam it for 15 minutes. Now here I have an instrument which is easy to carry, and especially for those who are staying abroad and would like to try making Shavios wherever you live, then this is an instrument that you can use to make Shavio. Here my rice cake is ready. As I told you earlier, quickly cut it into pieces, and when it is nice and hot, put it into the instrument to 3/4 level of it, close it and turn it around to press the rice cake so that from the bottom your Shavios will get released down. It is a little difficult to handle because you need to handle it with one hand, and the rice cake is hot, so the instrument also becomes hot. So hold it with a nice thick cloth with your left hand and turn it with the right hand, and your Shavios get pressed out. See, I have done it. Do likewise. Friends, do try this recipe not only at the Harvest Festival but any time of the year, as and when you feel like having the Shavio. It's easy if you follow my very quick and easy method. And Do try it during the harvest festival as well. We make Shavios any time of the year when we feel like having. It's just that the rice needs to be soaked and the Shavios are ready any time of the day. And it's best enjoyed with the tsun or the coconut and jaggery mixture. Combine all well and enjoy. Friends, try this Goan delicacy any time of the year and enjoy with your family. And especially teach this to your young ones so they too learn our cultural Goan delicacies and they get a taste of it, so only they will continue doing so. See you next week with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, keep watching Melita's Delicacies. Try Shavio, enjoy with your family and friends. Keep safe, be blessed. Thank you.